Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Today we will be having a look at how well the Gerni Patio cleaner works. Now this particular one did come for free with my Gerni 5000 when I bought it. It's part of the package. It also comes with a lot of the other Gerni pressure cleaners, and there's different versions of this for different brands of pressure cleaners. So a lot of different brands of pressure cleaners will have something very similar to this. I'm going to hold this up to the camera, and as you can see, this is not brand new. I have used this quite extensively. It has done a lot of work already, and it has done a lot of work at my work, earning me money. And this has actually earned me quite a lot of money. It's paid for itself probably 1,000 times over. And what we're doing today is we'll be using it at my place at home, just outside my shed. I just want to clean up a little area where my car trailer sits. My whole place has been a disaster. You can see there's stuff everywhere in the shed at the moment. And I have been extremely busy, and there will be a lot of updates coming very shortly. However, for today I just want to clean up my little concrete pad, or part of my concrete pad, where I park my car trailer. So let's go outside and see how well this thing actually does work. Now here's the area that we're going to clean up. We're just doing this one square for now, just here where my car trailer normally sits. We've stuck the car trailer out of the way. We're going to give this a clean before we put the car trailer back in. And we're using the Gerni 5000 and the patio cleaner attachment. Now here's the after once the job's complete, and look, you could probably go in there and do a little bit more, but this is all I wanted. If you wanted to put the other pressure attachment on there and go over it again, it'll probably come up even cleaner, but we probably forgot already how dirty it was. Let's just have a quick look at the difference. There's the before and after for you. This is what it looked like when we started, and this is what it looks like now. So I'm pretty goddamn happy with that. Have a look at that. Now it's time to park the trailer in its spot, and I might do the rest another day. We've got water shortages at the moment, so I don't want to be using too much water, but I might just do this pad here in the next few days. Here we go, the trailer is now back in its nice and clean spot, and I have given the trailer a quick clean up as well with the pressure cleaner while I've had it out. And that's it, job done. Okay, we're back inside. As you saw, this thing works well, and especially considering it comes for free, or well, it's not for free, you're paying for it, but it comes as part of your package when you buy your Gerni 5000 pressure cleaner. And for a lot of people, this will save a lot of money around your house, cleaning up your driveway, your patio, and you can even use this thing cleaning your walls and your bricks if you really want to. So overall, I reckon this thing's great. You saw it in action, you make up your own mind. Now if you've got any questions about anything you saw in today's video, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, found it useful or entertaining at all, do me a favour, and give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.